I am Lisa Francis and the owner of Winery Road Forest. We are a quaint forest in the heart of the Cape Winelands. We are minutes away from Stellenbosch and 30 minutes away from the international airport in Cape Town, which makes us one of the most popular destinations for our international brides and a destination venue. Most of all, we love welcoming back our South African children to come and tie the knot in our country. Our forests have 4 unique locations where we can set up your ceremonies. We also have a beautiful lake which reflects the iconic mountain of Helderberg. In front of our forest we have luscious lawns which we can entertain and serve your pre-reception drinks. Our indoor venue hosts 144 guests comfortably. Adjacent to our rustic barn venue with the elegant chandeliers, we have an outdoor courtyard which have aromas of mint and jasmine, because our South Africans love to be outdoors and we can dance the night away under the African sky. We are also very proud to announce that we've got a brand new indoor chapel which have walls of over 9 meters high and a window of 4 meters high looking into the heart of our forest, which will be the backdrop of your I-dos. We're a boutique family-owned business and the farm dates back to the late 1600s. The biggest charm of our venue is the beautiful sunset through our forest. The golden glow can be captured on your couple's photo shoot, and that is what we are extremely famous for. We cater for our unique and different brides because we are empty canvas and can adapt to any look and feel for your wedding day.